Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I recently asked a question on my stories on my Instagram page, and it was just to get a couple of ideas for videos. Like, I've got some ideas in the pipeline, but I wanted something new and I wanted to know what people who were following me, what they actually wanted. I got a couple of really good answers in there, and this one kind of stood out to me, and I think it might have been the first one. Do a smoky eye tutorial. So I haven't actually done a smoky eye before, which I'm quite surprised because I'd imagine that a smoky eye would be like one of the first ones that you'd kind of go for. But I never actually go that wild with eyeshadow to do such a dark smoky eye look, and if I do, it's usually just using the brown shades and warmer shades like that. But today I'm actually going to go for something, I want to go for something proper black and try and use it with some cool tones. So I've got this palette here by Maybelline. This was actually one that I got from TK Maxx and it only cost me $4.99. I'm not 100% sure what the original price was, as it doesn't really say, but you're usually looking at about somewhere between £10 and £15 for the Maybelline palettes. So this one here is the Maybelline New York Rock the Nudes. So it's got some really nice cool tones in there and a lot of darker shades over here for that smoky look. So I think I'm gonna try this palette out today. So we're gonna get straight into the video. So I'm gonna go off camera now and I'm gonna put the rest of my face on and I'll come back to you. Okay, so I've just applied my false lashes and I've also put mascara on and I've put the rest of my face on as well. So I'm gonna finish this look off now with a lip colour. And after much deliberation between me, myself and I've decided to go red, because what makes a smoky eye better than a nice bright red lip? I'm trying out the L'Oreal Paris Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick Les Chocolats. This is the one that smells like chocolate, and this is the one that I got in my amazing sale haul in Boots probably about a month ago, was it now? This is in the shade Tasty Ruby 864. Oh, I'll just take a minute to sniff this. It smells beautiful. So I'm gonna go for the NYX lip liner pencil, and this is in the shade Deep Red. I'm just gonna go sort my hair out now and I'll come back to you. So this is the final look that I got for you guys. I really enjoyed doing this video today. So thank you for your suggestions over on my Instagram channel. I think that the red lip really finishes this look off, which I'm really happy about, and it feels so nice on my lips. It feels really lightweight. Doesn't really feel like I've got anything on, and it's not sticky at all. It mattified really nice as well, really quickly. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. I think the blue kind of adds to the smoky eye, and it's just that tiny little bit of pop of colour. If you did enjoy this video, please remember to give it a big thumbs up, and also just comment down below any thoughts that you have or any questions. I'll be happy to answer them. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure you turn that notification bell on so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Head over to my Instagram channel. I do try and upload daily on there, and also head over to my Twitter account. And until next time, guys, take care.